The 2028 Trabant 601 keeps the nostalgic character that made the original car so memorable. Designers are expected to preserve the compact, boxy proportions, round headlamps, slim pillars, and clean body lines. However, almost every detail is now modernized. The front fascia could feature sleek LED daytime running lights surrounding circular matrix headlights, while a closed-off grille would improve aerodynamics for better electric range. The body itself may use lightweight recycled composite materials inspired by the classic Duraplast panels from the original Trabant. The old model became famous for its lightweight construction and simple engineering philosophy. The 2028 version is likely to reinterpret that idea using eco-friendly materials and sustainable manufacturing methods. From the side profile, the car still looks unmistakably like a Trabant, but now it sits lower and wider for a more premium road presence. Flush door handles, aerodynamic alloy wheels, black roof accents, and illuminated side badging could give the vehicle a futuristic urban car personality. The rear design may become one of the most attractive parts of the car. Expect full-width LED taillights, a minimalist bumper, and a clean hatchback layout that improves practicality. The compact dimensions would make the new Trabant ideal for crowded cities, while still offering enough interior room for small families. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor of the upcoming Trabant 601 is expected to use a fully electric platform. Industry rumors suggest a single electric motor producing around 150 horsepower in the standard version, while a dual-motor all-wheel drive trim could push output close to 250 horsepower. The original Trabant 601 used a tiny two-cylinder, two-stroke engine producing around 26 horsepower and a top speed near 1 km per hour. The 2028 model completely transforms that image. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour may happen in under 7 seconds for higher trims, while the top speed could exceed 160 km per hour. Battery options are rumored to include a 45 kWh entry pack and a larger 65 kWh long-range battery, depending on configuration. The driving range could vary between 350 and 500 kilometers on a full charge. Fast charging support may allow the battery to recharge from 10 to 80% in less than 30 minutes. One of the biggest improvements will obviously be the cabin. The original Trabant was extremely basic, famous for its simplicity and minimal comfort features. The new version aims to offer a completely different experience. Inside, the dashboard is expected to feature a floating digital instrument cluster paired with a large touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto would likely come standard, along with voice controls, over-the-air software updates, and AI-assisted navigation. Ambient lighting could stretch across the dashboard, while recycled fabric seats and vegan leather options would emphasize sustainability. Despite its compact footprint, clever packaging from the electric platform may provide impressive legroom and cargo space. Higher trims might include panoramic glass roofs, heated seats, dual-zone climate control, PREMIUM audio systems, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and self-parking assistance are expected to become available. Safety will also be dramatically improved compared to the classic Trabant. The old model was built in a completely different era of automotive engineering. The 2028 model would likely feature multiple airbags, reinforced crash structures, electronic stability systems, and advanced collision avoidance technology. Driving dynamics are expected to focus on urban comfort rather than aggressive performance. Lightweight construction and instant electric torque should make the car feel quick and agile in city traffic. Engineers are reportedly targeting a fun, easy-to-drive personality that matches the spirit of the original car while delivering modern refinement. Another interesting possibility is personalization. Retro-inspired paint colors, classic-style wheel designs, and vintage interior packages may allow buyers to recreate the charm of older Trabant models with a futuristic twist. The global debut could happen sometime in late 2027 or early 2028. If the project moves into production, European markets would likely receive the vehicle first, especially Germany and other regions where the Trabant still has strong cultural recognition. Pricing is expected to position the car as an affordable electric hatchback. Entry-level trims may start around $25,000, while premium long-range models could reach $38,000 depending on battery size and features. If the project becomes reality, the 2028 Trabant 601 may become one of the most unique electric cars on the market. It combines nostalgia, simplicity, sustainability, and modern technology into a package that could attract both classic car fans and younger EV buyers. For longtime automotive enthusiasts, seeing the Trabant name return after decades would be an emotional moment. The original car became a symbol of an era, and now, the 2028 version could reinvent that legacy for the electric future.